Store-bought oat milk is packed with additives you never asked for, and most people don't realize how easy it is to skip all of that at home. Dude's Tech is ranking the 5 best nut milk maker machines that turn raw nuts and grains into fresh, additive-free drinks with one button. The top pick surprised us with how much it handles. Let's break it down. If you're just stepping into homemade plant milk and want one machine that handles almost everything in your kitchen, this first pick is a practical starting point. KDV packs 8 functions into one compact unit, making nut milk, soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, smoothies, soups, porridge, and juice without needing separate appliances cluttering the counter. Its 32-ounce capacity comfortably covers 2 to 4 servings, which works well for smaller households or quick weekday batches. The Smart Delay Start lets you program up to 12 hours ahead, so you can wake up to fresh milk instead of starting from scratch, and the 2-hour Keep Warm function means it won't go cold while you get ready. One-touch presets keep operations simple enough for elderly users or kids to run safely, backed by overheat protection for peace of mind. A stainless steel heating element and included recipe book with over 20 plant-based recipes round out a genuinely beginner-friendly package. The 8-in-1 versatility is a real strength for anyone short on kitchen space who wants one appliance instead of 5. Overheat protection also adds a layer of safety that's reassuring for daily, unsupervised use. Where it falls slightly behind newer models is batch size. 32 ounces feels adequate for smaller households, but may require a second run for larger families. Overall, it's a solid, safe entry point without unnecessary complexity. Now, if pre-soaking ingredients has ever tested your patience, this next machine was built specifically to eliminate that step entirely. Witlion skips the pre-soak process entirely thanks to its 20-blade stainless steel grinding system, which pulverizes raw nuts, beans, and grains directly without needing hours of prep beforehand. That alone can save real time on busy mornings, especially paired with its 55-ounce capacity, the largest batch size in this lineup, built for families who don't want to run the machine twice a day. A spill-proof locking lid keeps splatters off the counter, while the one-touch controls make it approachable even for first-time users. The 12-hour delay start lets you prep ingredients the night before, and a 4-hour keep warm setting holds your drink at a comfortable temperature well past breakfast. The no-soak blade system is a genuine time saver compared to machines that still require overnight prep. That 55-ounce capacity also gives it a real edge for larger households needing bigger batches without multiple runs. The trade-off is counter space, since a machine built for bigger batches naturally takes up more storage room than compact alternatives. For families prioritizing speed and volume over a smaller footprint, though, this one earns its place. Stepping things up a notch, this next machine adds genuine convenience features that turn cleanup from a chore into a non-issue. Novalife covers the same 8-function versatility as other models here: nut milk, soy milk, oat milk, coconut milk, juice, rice paste, boiling water, and milkshakes, but adds a high-temperature, one-touch cleaning cycle that noticeably simplifies post-use maintenance. Its 40-ounce capacity sits comfortably between the more compact and larger options on this list, serving 4 to 6 people per batch without demanding frequent refills for a full household. The 20-blade grinding system handles both grinding and heating in one motion, producing a smoother, more consistent texture than machines relying on fewer blades. A 12-hour delay start means fresh soy milk is ready whenever you need it, whether that's early morning or afternoon tea. The included full-color recipe guide with illustrated steps makes it especially approachable for first-time users experimenting with new drink combinations. The one-touch high-temperature cleaning system is a clear standout, cutting down on manual scrubbing that other machines still require. The 20-blade system also delivers noticeably smoother texture thanks to combined grinding and heating. Its capacity, while solid, sits below Witlion's larger batch size, so bigger families may need an extra cycle occasionally. Even so, the balance of convenience and output quality makes it a strong middle-tier choice. But here's where things get genuinely well-rounded, because this next machine backs its versatility with a noticeably more complete accessory kit. Gdor rounds out its 9 smart programs with a thoughtful accessory bundle that most competitors skip entirely, including a fine mesh strainer, dedicated nut milk bag, measuring cup, and cleaning brush right out of the box. Its 35-ounce capacity strikes a practical middle ground for family batches without tipping into bulky territory, and the 12-blade stainless steel system focuses on smoother blending and finer grinding for consistently creamy results. The 12-hour delay start and 2-hour keep warm function mirror what serious users expect from a dedicated plant milk machine, while the food-grade stainless steel interior adds durability and makes cleaning genuinely easier over time. Self-clean functionality rounds out a machine clearly built for regular, repeated use rather than occasional experimentation. The included accessory kit is a genuine value advantage, saving buyers from purchasing straining tools or measuring cups separately. The stainless steel interior also holds up better long-term compared to machines relying more heavily on plastic components. Its 12-blade system, while effective, uses fewer blades than the 20-blade competitors here, which may mean marginally less fine grinding on tougher nuts. Still, the complete package makes it one of the more thoughtfully equipped machines on this list. And that brings us to the machine that quietly does the most without needing the highest function count to prove it. Kidisle takes a slightly different approach, focusing less on stacking functions and more on refining how each one works. It handles almond, oat, soy, and cashew milk alongside juice, rice paste, and boiling water. But the standout here is its dual-layer self-cleaning system, using both water circulation and high-temperature cleaning to clear residue from the interior without any disassembly required. High-speed stainless steel blades paired with efficient heating grind most nuts and grains thoroughly without needing pre-soaking, delivering a smoother finish texture in less prep time. One-touch smart programs keep daily operation simple, letting you add ingredients, select a mode, and walk away rather than babysitting the blending process. The exterior needing only a quick wipe rather than scrubbing makes it noticeably lower maintenance than machines requiring manual interior cleaning. The dual self-cleaning approach is genuinely the standout feature here, going a step beyond the single-cycle cleaning found on other machines in this lineup. No-soak grinding also saves meaningful prep time for anyone making milk on a tighter morning schedule. Capacity details run a bit less specific than competitors like Witlion or Novalife, so extremely large households might want to confirm batch size fits their needs. Even so, the cleaning convenience alone makes daily use noticeably easier. For most households, the Gdor nut milk maker machine offers the strongest all-around value. It balances a practical 35-ounce capacity with a complete accessory kit, durable stainless steel interior, and reliable delay start convenience, avoiding the trade-offs seen in bulkier or accessory-like competitors. Larger families may prefer Witlion for its bigger batches, while those prioritizing effortless cleanup might lean toward Kidisle. But for balanced everyday use, Gdor delivers the most complete experience. Which one of these caught your attention? KDV, Witlion, Novalife, Gdor, or Kidisle? Let us know your pick in the comments below. If this video helped you decide, smash that like button, subscribe to Dude's Tech for more honest product breakdowns, and check the description for direct purchase links on everything we cover today.